Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Today I am going to mess around here with these little gnomes. Well, actually, there's very big gnomes. I forget how tall these little guys are. They are about, I want to say about 13 inches tall. And they're really cute, but they're just very, very plain. So we're just going to add some embellishments to these guys, especially this one. I think this one was just, it just falls short here. It's cute, but it's just, I don't know, it's just way too plain. I almost passed on these, but I said, you know what, we can make them better. And then we have this little guy here, but I don't know, this one I don't mind so much because this one's, you know, got this nice long beard and it's gray outfit on there. But they just need a little something, especially this little girl gnome. So for her, I'm going to take 3 of these little, what are they calling him? They're just, everything they just call decor. They're just these little glitter hearts. They're like, you know, on styrofoam or whatever. They're just glitter. And I'm going to glue 3 of these together. I'm just going to put a drop of glue on the side of this one here. And we're just going to glue it together. Whoops, I can't see. Back it up. There we go. Just side by side, like so. I'll hold it up here closer once I get it. And then I'm going to take another one and just put a little glue like on each side of the heart here, like so. And then just glue that on top of those 2. Now I'm going to set this one aside to dry because I've already got a couple here that I glued together to show you guys. It takes a little while for that glue to cool off on the styrofoam. But I did a set of the red ones, and I also did a set with the pink. They have the same thing. They're just calling them decor again, but they have the little bags of the pink hearts. So that's what they look like stacked up, and I thought that was really cute. But I decided to go with the red ones on her. So I'm going to glue this like up here. That way I can bring her little hands over and make her look like she's holding these little hearts. So I am just going to add a little glue to the back of, whoops, I'm gluing it to my bag, to the back of these little hearts here. And it won't take much to glue onto this felt because I just want to hold this here so it looks like I got it underneath her little nose there, right? So I'm just going to glue those right on there like that. And after that cools, I'm going to lay it down here for a second just till it cools off. Because for some reason with this glitter on the styrofoam, it takes a little bit. So I also felt like she might need some little bows in her hair. So I made a couple bows. I had some of this sheer red and polka dot ribbon that I've had for a long, long time. I have got to get some more skinny ribbon. Everything I had was like, you know, the 1.5 or the 3/4 inch ribbon. But I'm going to have to go to Michael's or something and get some. But I just made a simple bow. I just fold it up in half like that, and I wrap it around my thumb and back underneath, and then just, yeah, easy for me to say, right? There we go. And then just pull it through, and then it always ends up with your little tails all going in the right direction. And then just kind of make it to the size that you want and then cut it. And that's it. It's just real simple little, just a little bow like you're tying your shoes, whatever. But I have a couple of them here that I already made, and I'm not going to put them on yet. I want to wait until I get her hands and stuff in place. I was also thinking of using some of this pretty ribbon. They have this pretty heart ribbon. This is from last year, but I did see that they have it back out again this year. And it's just really pretty. It's a real pretty white lacy ribbon. And it's just called Heart Ribbon Lace. I'm not sure if I want to put this on. I was thinking about maybe putting it down on the bottom of her dress to make it look like it was a little fancy, but I don't really think I like that there, so we'll see. I'm going to set this back over here, but that's just an idea if you wanted to make something down at the bottom. Okay, now I want her hair to go over top of her arms. So now I'm just going to take her little arms, and we're just going to glue them so they're just under here like this, like it looks like she's holding up these little bundle of hearts. So let me get some hot glue on her little hand there. There we go. All right. Just kind of want to hold it into place so you know where to glue it down. Put some on this little hand. And there we go. That should look really cute. There. So now she's going to look like she's holding her little bundle of hearts. All right, now stay. I know this, for some reason on the felt, it takes so much longer to I got paint on my thumb. I was painting things earlier. I'm just trying to get things done in here. Trying to get this done, de-Christmas the house and everything else. But I wanted to get these done. I'm trying to get things done as I get them. Because a lot of times I buy a lot of this stuff from Dollar Tree and I'll put it in my little bucket back here. And then I forget about it because, you know, the next week I find something else really cool that I want to do. All right, so now her little braids will hang down like this, and now I'll know where I want to put these little bows. So I figured these would be cute to put one on each of her little braids. Give that a little something. There we go. Put one there. I just wanted to set it like this because I want the bows to, you know, face forward here. And then we'll put this one over on the other side, on her other braid right here. There. And there's her little bows. I think that's cute. That's why I went with the red hearts, because this honestly was the only thinner ribbon I could find. So I had to incorporate a little bit more red in this because she's just so pink. But this just still looks, this still isn't cool, or still isn't cool enough. Let me put a little hot glue on the ends of her hand there too. So I'm wanting to come apart. All right, so that's gonna have to be held here for a second. But I don't think the hat needs anything. It has so much pink sequins on there that I really don't think that needs a thing. But I may actually add that lace down on the bottom because this still just, I don't know, it just looks too plain. So I think she looks so much better already. So maybe we will put a little bit of this lace down there. Let's see. What do we think? Or maybe up a little higher. Maybe it could be around her waist, like a belt. I don't know. What do we think? Or maybe down a little more. Like just a little decoration. Yeah, I like it there. I did not like it down the bottom. Okay, so we are going to add this lace on here. All right, I need to stretch this out a little bit more so I can get around the back. Get that one heart in the center. Then I'm just going to put a little hot glue here and there to hold this on, because this won't take much to stay on here either. I don't think I need to even glue each one. Maybe like every other one. Oh yeah, I think that looks cute. Yeah, too close to the feet maybe is what was throwing me off. All right, so that's what we're gonna do with her. Let me lay her down this way so I can, whoops, I should have measured that better because now, well, I'm not gonna waste it. I can actually cut that little heart out and use it for something else. All right, so let's do a couple more of these. There. And let's see. All right, so we'll just overlap that one. There we go. I've been wanting to use that pretty lace or something here. All right, so let's get this glued on here. I have a heart stuck onto my glue gun. And I'm just going to glue the tops of this one down. All right, there she is. I think that looks so much better. She just needed a little something. I just did not like that big, just plain little body. I'll take a nice picture of all these guys at the end here because it's kind of hard to see with all the clutter in the background. But yeah, I think that looks so much better. And I really wish her nose would have stuck out a little bit more, but not much I can do about that because that hat's really glued down. All right, so that is her. So we're gonna stick her over here. I'm trying to remember which one I wanted to do things with. I had these little cupcake things. They have these out again too, I think this year. I saw them. These are actually little stickers, but I'm just gonna hot glue a few of these together. And let's see, I want that in the middle. And then have one of these guys. Let's see, maybe this guy. Maybe this will look better on this one. Yes. I think I'm going to have this guy hold this. These guys don't really need too much. I'm not going to do that much, you know, with them. but that little girl, she definitely needed a little help. So I'm just going to glue these together like so, kind of on a little bit of an angle. Kind of just like that. And then I think that'll look cute if we have this guy here hold these. So let me get his beard. The beards on here are actually pretty nice. So, you know, sometimes they can fall short with the beards and whatnot. So I'm going to separate that. You could even give him a little mustache if you wanted to, if you just want to kind of pull some of this in different directions. Give him a little mustache. And once again, it is so cloudy outside today. Alright, let's see where I want this to be. And again, that way you don't have to really stretch the hands all the way over. You can just have them holding, you know, just underneath them or whatever. I'm trying to figure out where I want this. Maybe just like that. Alright. So we're just going to attach this right to his beard. That's really the only place I can get this in right. So there we go. We're just going to glue that right there. And then try to get his little hand. I don't know exactly how I want this. Maybe I'll bend those a little. I should have figured that out before I glued them on there, huh? Yes, I should. Well, maybe we do want to bring his hands all the way over, but then we're not going to see that much of these cupcakes. Get rid of that mustache. All right. Yeah, maybe I'll just glue his little hands together just like that. All right, let me get some hot glue on this. Get his little hands over here. And then I can kind of move the little cupcakes around. There we go. That looks pretty good. And I think that's really all I'm going to do to this guy because he's really cute. I might put a little sparkle up on the top there. What do we got here? I have these, some of this is they're calling table scatter. It's like little glittered foam hearts. Maybe I'll put a couple of those up here on his hat. Why not? Alright, well, while I'm holding that together, I can do that. So I'm just going to put hot glue on the back of that foam heart. And we're just going to stick that right up here. And then if you want, you could add a couple of these little pink hearts, which I might do because that looks really cute. Are you staying now? All right, let's hope so. Add this one right here, like so. Give him a little sparkle. And then I think I want another pink one. Do I have another one out? I thought I did. All right, here we go. And then I just might put that one over there. There we go. Now he has some little sparkly hearts on his hat, and he's holding his little cupcakes. So I think he is done. If you wanted to, you could put something on the top, but I didn't really want to put a pom-pom up there. But we'll set him there. Now this guy here, I think I'm going to take one of these, where did I put those? I have such a stiff neck. I did something yesterday, and I pulled a muscle right on the bottom of my neck by my shoulder. My head does not even want to turn right now. Here they are. These are little kits that I got last year at Dollar Tree. Let me open this one up so you can see what I'm talking about. They're just like these little kits that you can get to make different hearts. I don't remember what they were calling these. Of course, I don't have the top piece to it, but they're really cute. So it comes like this, and they're all separate like so, and it just says forever on there, and then it has this little cutout piece that you can glue on, which I'm going to glue on right there. It's actually what I did already is glued that one on. And then it also comes with this little pink, it's supposed to look like a little pink gemstone, little plastic heart. And then you can glue that on there too, but it doesn't really show up very well on the red, so I did take another one that I had. I'm not sure where I got these on, probably AliExpress, that I ordered a bunch of them from last year. But Dollar Tree sometimes has the little gem hearts too that you could put on there. But that's all I did, is I just glued that piece on like that and put that little heart on there. And then I figured he could just hold this little heart here. I'm not sure how. Some of the arms are shorter than the others. So let's see, how do we want to do this? Just thought that would look cute. I think I want it straight. But I think I'll just put his hands just like that, just like he's holding the sides of it. Alright, let's glue it on there. I hear my dog out there barking now. So we're just going to glue that right on there to his beard. And I'm going to try to get this just to glue down to his side here, I think, so it looks like he's just holding the edge of this. I think that'll be fine. Just add a little glue under here and glue that right there, like so. And then I'm going to get this other one over here, but I don't want to glue it onto the beard because I don't think it'll stay very well. But I just want to glue this one down. So get back over there now. Give me a hard time. There we go. Yeah, that one needs to get glued right there. All right. Oops, I need some more glue. All right, now let me see. Alright, so I'm just going to hold that until that cools off. I do want to put another one of the, these were the table scatter, another one of these really, you know, they're got the real fine glitter on them, and I'm going to glue that right here on this heart too. Oh, come on, cool off already so I can get this glued down. So yeah, I'm just going to put a drop of glue up here, and then we're just going to stick this big old glittery heart up there. They all got to have a little bit of sparkle. Alright, I don't know exactly where this cut off. It sounded like it cut off right after I got done doing this little guy down here. And then I put some glue on the little glitter thing up here. I don't know if that got caught on the video. I'm trying to see the end of it, but it's kind of skipping over it. But anyway, I put that on him up there. I wish I had some tiny little flowers or something for some of these too. I think would look really cute, but I do not. So that is all I'm going to do to these little guys. I just wanted to share it with you how I was kind of giving these guys a little bit of a facelift. But I will put a nice picture here at the end. I'll get rid of all this stuff here. And thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this little project here, and I will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone.